So I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and turning this TV on or off is very easy when you have a remote. All you have to do is press the power button to turn off and press the power button again to turn it on. It's really as simple as that. But then if you don't have the remote or your remote has run out of battery, then here's what you can do. Simply go to the bottom of your TV and feel around for a button. There's usually one button at the bottom there. So pressing that button once brings up this menu, and you can press it again to scroll through the menu. So I'll press it once, then I'll keep pressing once and releasing like that to scroll through this menu. Okay, so you have this menu, you have the different HDMI ports, and then you have the power off. Then you want to long press to activate that particular power off item, and that switches off the TV. To switch it on, simply press that button once and the TV comes on. Okay, and then I can go to the menu once more and scroll through. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.